Okay, so we're working with ordered pairs and coordinate plane. So we're going to be plotting the numbers. The first thing that you have to do is identify the quadrant that is in. What quadrant is positive, positive? Quadrant 1. So you're going to put Q1 up here. If I write on my paper, you write on yours. What quadrant is positive, positive here? 1 as well. Here, point K. What quadrant is negative, positive? Quadrant 2. What quadrant is negative, positive? 2. What quadrant is negative, negative? 3. So here, we're going to make sure we start at the origin always. So I know that I'm going to be in quadrant 1. So because we're going to label it quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. We're going to put positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, and positive, negative. So here, I know I got 2 positive numbers. I know my answer is going to be in quadrant 1. So I'm going to start from the origin, which is 0, go over to 1.5. This is 1, this is a half. Then I'm going to go up to 2. So it's going to be right there. That's going to be my point L. D, I'm going to start at the origin, which is X is 0, and then I'm going to go up to 3.5 right there, and that's point D. If I'm writing, you should be writing. Point K, I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go over to 2.5, negative 2.5, and then I'm going to go up to 5 right there, and that's point K. Point S, I'm going to go to negative 3, start at the origin, go over to negative 3, and then it says my Y is 0, so I'm going to keep it right there, and that's S. And then over here, point N, it said negative 1 and negative 3.5, negative 1. We'll go over to negative 1, and I'm going to come down to negative 3.5, and that is my point N. So the question says, which point is in quadrant 2? Look at quadrant 2. Which point is sitting inside of quadrant 2, everybody? K. You're right. Correct. K. Which point is located in quadrant 3? N. And which point is right on the X's line? S. Everybody understand? You have to look for your quadrants first. All of the quadrants, label it. And when you get your set of ordered pairs, label the quadrant that is going to be in first. Then go to your origin and locate your ordered pairs. Everybody understand?
Yes.